Hey YouTube, I'm Sergeant Indy, and this is more Let's Play Devtober 2019. Right now we're looking at Programmer Dungeon by Dragonlord Studio, which looks like 4 people worked on the game. A sound designer, level designer, programmer, and artist. And I'm not going to try messing with any of their names specifically. I'll put the link to the site in the doobly-doo. You can go see them yourself, but I was worried about butchering a couple of the names. I'd feel really bad about that. So, this is a really cute concept for a game. It seems like it has some minor issues with how things sort of shake out while you're playing it, but I'll just sort of go through it. You are programming this knight, and he will do the commands you give him. So right now I'm just going to say attack, and so the attack, you move forward. Attack 1, we'll go to the next level, and we're going to, I've got 3 now, so I can go that, and that, and that. Hey, that, thank you. And so you should move, and it'll turn a little bit, and it'll go down. My major gripe about the game right now, and like I played this one for a while as well, because I was kind of like, what's going on? I need to figure out, like, how does this actually work, right? And part of that was that there's only, like, one idle sprite for the knight, and so it's either facing this way or that way. It would really be helpful for me figuring out what these, like, it took me a while to figure out what these buttons do, because there's like, it'd be nice if I held my mouse here for a second or so and like a tooltip popped up and said, hey, this turns you 90 degrees to the right or whatever, right? And the other thing would be nice if we had actual 4-directional sprite so I could tell that it turned. Because for a while I was like, what am I doing? What do these stupid buttons do? I don't get it. So right here, so the other thing is that you've got one knight and you've got one energy, so you can only input one command. So if I do the normal attack, that moves me forward 1 square, and that doesn't help, right? So I've just failed. So we're gonna pause, and then you can go here. You can just click that away out of the little queue they've got here, and we do the 2 attack, and this slides him forward 2 whole levels. This is one of the things that's kind of buggy, is that sometimes when you're doing the slide forward 2 attack, you'll bounce off of an enemy for some reason, and I can't figure out why. At any rate, we'll do that, and then I think this, and then that should do it. So that should be move forward and attack, into this square, turn left, which should be pointing up, and then do the 2 attack, and we'll see if I'm correct. Yes, okay. This one I could not get to work, and this is again where some tooltips would come in handy. So you got 4 energies, so you can put 4 commands in here. And so let's do this, that, and this is apparently some sort of repeat loop, but I think it only repeats once. So, like, I can't seem to figure out how to kill this guy. And I don't know if that's some sort of failing on my part, or what, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think there's any other way to do this level. I mean, there's gotta be some way to do this level, right? They wouldn't put it in if there wasn't. But yeah, it's a bummer because I need like 1 more energy or stamina. 1 more stamina worth of stuff to go. And I guess maybe I could try going... No, because I start facing this way. So if I'm going to do like a repeat thing, then... Oh, and if you don't have the end brace of the repeat thing, it just says unfinished combo, so I can't actually finish. Attack, turn, attack, turn. Oh, and you can do this for the double speed, but I found that playing it at double speed seems to greatly increase your chances of harmlessly bouncing off of a slime. I almost feel like this button should be what's showcased here instead of this, and maybe they changed the way the game works, because then you could do there, right? And then you'd be in position to use this button that would presumably hit all of the slimes. And so maybe that's what happened. Because like I said, I can't figure out a rhyme or reason for why this shouldn't work, other than the fact that this combo, I think, maybe it only plays twice. Oops, I still got it on 2x speed. Like I said, if you put it on 2x speed, you're significantly more likely to bounce off. And that might be that's something I've come up with in programming a fair amount when we're using game engines, that sometimes the EXEs don't behave exactly like what you've got when you're running the little, just hitting the run button in your game engine. And I don't know why that is, but that's just how it works sometimes. And maybe this works, or the bouncing on ×2 speed thing isn't a problem that they have when they were just running it in the engine. Anyway, I'm just going to skip this level because, like I said, I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to make it work. Honestly, from here on out, I couldn't figure out how to make, like, any of these work. So I'm facing this way, so it seems to... We do 2 turn 1, and we put that into a repeating thing, right? And what if I put all of this into a repeating thing? What does that look like? What happens if I just keep doing that? Whoa. That doesn't seem right, does it? Yeah. I don't know what causes you to bounce off of the slimes. It seems, so like that, it seems really inconsistent. I'm not sure what causes that. Though it seems like I might get it this time because I bounced. Well, we're gonna go to the next level anyway. So this one you introduce a, I guess it's, well, I'm gonna call it a throwing knife. So I can throw the knife, turn, -2 for my 3 stamina. And then this one is another one I don't think I could get to work. What does that give me? It gets me there. What if I... Just gonna try to logic this through. Yeah, I can't figure out, like I said, the rhyme or reason for why sometimes you bounce. And I only have 3 more energy. And at this point I'm facing this way, I think. If I... Wait, no, that's incorrect. What if I try something really weird, like a... So what does that do? Okay. So that twice. What if I... Oh, interesting. So this looks like it might work if I can not bounce. Yeah, okay, so this will work. Like I said, I don't know why I'm bouncing. I assume probably just some bug, hiccup in the code. Okay. So yeah, it seems like these combos will run this twice. And so I'm swinging 2 to the right, turning twice. And then I'm swinging 2 and turning to the left. But then I'm doing all of this twice. Like a weird for loop kind of thing. Should be able to... Oh gosh, so forward 1, down 2, throw, turn, so forward 1, down 2, turn left, throw, turn right. Okay, so forward 1, turn 2, forward 1, turn right, 2, turn left, throw, turn right. We'll loop this, I think. I'm not sure if this isn't gonna get me what I need to get. Almost though, right? Almost. How can I mess with that, then? There's probably a more efficient way to do what I'm trying to do here. Oops, gosh, that's the wrong thing. I'm trying to... Yeah. Let's watch this again. Forward 1, down 2, throw. Forward 1, throw. I think these turns aren't efficient. There's got to be a better way to do that. But I can't really figure out a more efficient way to do that. Let's kill all this again. Forward 1, turn, down 2, turn left, throw. Do I need to turn left to throw? What happens if I just throw? Will he just throw at the nearest thing? No. Okay. Lesson learned. Okay. So forward 1, turn right, forward 2, turn left, throw. Oops, that's the wrong button. Yeah, it seems like sometimes you can fall off the edge here too. So there's got to be something wonky with like the collision, and that's, you know, that's fine. That happens. So I just turned left. I need to turn back right. I don't really know how. Because that's all my energy, and that just gets me to there. And I'm also out of knives, so it's not like I could have done something cheeky somewhere else, but I need to have access for one more forward right, which I have right here. I just don't know how to... It seems like there should be a way to do this, like I want to do this more than once, right? Or combo this more than once, and it seems like there probably should be some way to do that. I can't figure out how to go about doing that. There's got to be some goofy not recursive, like silly thing I could do. Anyway, what level am I on? 9? Let's go to 10. What's fancy about this? Oh. Can you only be thrown at, maybe? Nope. I don't have any daggers. Oh. Maybe it just takes more than one hit. But wait. I could do a combo. But combos take 2 energy. So... yeah, they do take 2 hits. Well, if I've only got 2 energy, how the heck am I supposed to do this? Because I don't think I can bounce or anything. Makes me wonder if these aren't actually supposed to factor into your stamina. If that makes any sense. Oh. Like that. So we poke off of him, and then we bash. Okay, next. Oh gosh, this one's gonna be a mess. Only 3? Wait. How are you supposed to do this with only 3 energy? Because that means, like, you can't do a combo, right? Oh. 1, 1, swirl? What does that look like? This still puts me completely out of energy. How about if we kill all these, we do swirl, dash, swirl. Yeah, there we go. You know what? This video is already getting pretty long, and I don't want to spoil the whole puzzle for you. Anyway, this is Programmer Dungeon by Dragonlord Studios. I'll put the link down in the doobly-doo. You guys can go check it out yourself. In the meantime, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.